So the first time you open the application, you will see this screen asking you if you want to break password. This is good if you want to protect your data. So just click yes or no. If you click yes, just set up a password. So I'm just gonna write a and give a secret word or something to remember your password. And the email is not necessary, it's just in case you want to recover your password. Okay, so just click OK. So then you will see the login screen. Just enter your password and click OK. And of course, if you want to reset your password, just click here. And this is going to be your main screen, and the first time is going to ask you to if you want to use credit card. So I'm gonna click yes because it's the main reason of this new update. And you will see the main screen have changed a little. Now you can see total credit, and it's a small radio button to use as a filter for the main screen, so you can see all the data, a year data, a monthly data, a 15 days, a week, or current day. Just click OK. And if you go back, it's going to ask you again for your login, so always is going to be prompt the login screen. If you want to deactivate this, just open the menu here, go to preference, and here you can activate or deactivate the password and activate or deactivate the use of credit card. And these filters are the same as in the other screen, so you can filter here too. Okay, just click back to go to the main screen. All these small icons here are shortcuts for to add expense. So in this case, I'm gonna click on entertainment. You can change the date, and you can choose one of these here. Just choose one, click on enter amount, and put a quantity. And if you want to pay with credit card, click this box here. I'm not going to put it because we haven't added any credit card yet, so just click add, and now you can see your expense here. Now you have a negative expense because we need to put some incomes, so you go to incomes, just click add, just write anything you want. It's okay. No, I don't want to replace. I'm sorry for this. Put an amount here. I'm gonna put 10,000. And if you don't want to write any all the time this word, just click on favorites, click add, and now your income is here. You can move with this arrow from month to month, so you can see how many incomes you're having. If you click on favorites, you can see now we have the item that we just added, and now you only need to add the amount to be added. I'm gonna add to the previous month, click add, and if I move to April, now you can see it's here. Okay, so just go back to the main screen. Now you can see we have a total available of 10,200, and we spend 200, so we have available 10,000. Okay. To add an expense is the same. Just click on expense, click add, and write something here. Let's say I don't know, my expense. Oops. Enter the amount. Let's put 1,000. And if you want to favorites, just click favorites. If you want to pay with credit card, click this checkbox. Just click add. So now we have another expense here. So you click favorites. Now you can see your expense here. Or in the shortcut for favorites, it is a star, yellow star. So now you can see your expense here. So I'm gonna add another expense. Let's say the previous month. And just add the amount that you want to add. Good. Now you can see my expense here, and my museum is here, and it's an 88% of all your expense. So if I click on the filter and I just place current day, now you can see on the current day I just have 1,000 for my expense and 200 for museum. Okay, so you can check all the shortcuts here. This is going to change on future versions. It's going to be more friendly for you, so you can add your own concepts. Okay, so to add a credit card, just click here. Here you will see the list of your credit cards with the credit name, how many, the amount available, the cut-off day, and the payment day. So just click new credit card, give it a name. So I'm gonna ask this bank and add a credit limit. Suppose I have 10,000. Add some annual interest. In my case, it's like 43%. So this way a number. The cut-off day, in my case, is 24. Payment day, I always put 1 day after my cut-off day, so like this I can pay all my credit card and have for the next period the full credit. I recommend you this. Well, the annual interest and the payment day is going to be used for future updates. So for the moment, it's just information for you. Just click down and click add. So if you click on the icon, now you can see we have one credit card here. So you click on the credit card, you will see the credit card name, how much you spent on the period, the current period. The current period is from 25 May to 24 June. This is based on the information of the cut-off date. Okay. How much you need to pay for this period, your credit limit, credit available, and you can edit this information anytime. So let's suppose I got an upgrade for 15,000. Just click update. Now your credit limit is going to be for 15. So let me go back. Now let's add a new expense. with credit. So let's suppose I put some gasoline for 1000, and I want to pay with credit card. You just click on the checkbox, click add. Now you will have the list of your credit cards. So in this case I'm gonna choose this one here. Now you see expense added for gasoline 1000, and you can see total expense is only 1200 because credit card is future money, so we haven't paid this 1000 yet. So you can see here total credit is 1000, and if you go to your credit card, now you can see your credit available is 14,000. Okay, and if you go to your expense, if you click on the item with credit card, let's suppose it wasn't 1000, was 2000. Just click down, click update, and it's going to tell you when an expense is paid with credit card. It's going to tell you, hey, this expense was made with this credit card. Do you want to update it? Just click yes, and if you have enough credit available, it's going to let you update the information. So if we go back and we check our credit card, now we have 13,000. So if you go to your credit card information, and if you click on make a payment, it's always going to give you the amount you need to pay to have your full credit available again. So if I click make a payment, and if I go back, you can see I have a total credit of 0, and now my expense is 3200. And if I check my credit, now you can see I have again my 1500 credit available. So let me show you, if we change the preference to don't use credit card, using check the box. So this is how people that don't use credit card is going to see the information. So it's almost the same, but you cannot click the pay with credit card. So you can move. All the information here is all the money that you have you spent on doctor, on gasoline. So for example, if I add another item with gasoline, you can see my gasoline is 2500. So if you want to see individually, you just go to expense, and you can see you have you may expense with gasoline this date and another on this date and stuff like that. And for example, if you try to change this expense, it's not going to let you to modify the concept, because only the amount is possible to change. And if you want to filter, for example, I want to see all my payments for this credit card, just select the icon and click filter, and you will see all the expense with this. So if you move to another amount, the filter is going to be removed. For example, with gasoline, I click here, just click filter. Now you can see I spent 2500 with gasoline. Alright. I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, please let me know. Any error please let me know as soon as possible, and I will try to fix it. And any comments, you have the button here to send some comments to rate the application. We just start here, and in future days I'm gonna add some comments and everything. So I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.